Okay, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. So close. Close. Something nearby and not far, whether physically, mentally, or financially. Close. Close. I was close to my sister. We were close emotionally. We were a close family. Close family, yeah. She was close by last night, yeah. The office is close. Not far. A little bit longer. Close. That was a close call. Yeah, in terms of money, for example. Yeah, ooh, that was close. Whoo! Yeah. Yep. So then we can say he wanted to be close to his brothers. He wanted to be close to his brothers. Makes sense. They want to be closer next time. They want a close family. Yes. How cool is that? So I am close to my books, for example. I'm close, physically close to my books. They're not far. He is close to his sister. She is close to her brother. Yeah, makes sense. It is close to the door. Yeah, it is next to the door. It's close to the door. Close. Yep. I am, he is, she is, it is, they are close to each other, for example. And it is close to me. Yeah, close. Describing, it is close, it is far. Nice. So they tried to be close. They tried to be close, but it didn't work. No, it didn't work. He's trying to be close to the others, and it's working. He wants to be close to her, but he is not doing a good job. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. She wants a close relationship with her children. They are building a close relationship. Yes. So he needs to be close to them. It's not always working. Yeah. Yeah. The shop is close. The shop is close. The office is close. Yeah, it's not far. Not far to go. But also be aware of close. Close and close. So close, yeah, okay. Closed. So it's like cannot enter. Closed. The shop is closed. The shop is close. The shop is close. Not far. The shop is closed. Yeah, not open. Not open. Very subtle difference there. Yeah. How cool is that? So I am close to these flowers. Physically close. I am reading the book. Close. I am close to the book. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So, can you use close in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.